Presenting the Redmi Smart Band in the color black for tracking your everyday fitness activities. This smart band features 1.08-inch full-touch color display with adjustable screen brightness feature and 50+ watch faces. This smart band is 5 ATM certified, making it water-resistant up to 50 meters for about 10 minutes. With the built-in USB connector, you can directly plug the smart band into a USB port for hassle-free charging. It has a battery life of up to 14 days on a single charge. The Mi Smart Band comes with 5 multi-sport modes to track all your indoor and outdoor activities. It also features activity tracker, sleep monitor, and continuous heart rate monitor to keep your health in check. You can also control, check all your mobile notifications, set reminders and goals, control music, and get daily weather forecast with the Mi Smart Band. It also features Find Your Phone option for easily locating your mobile with a simple click. With Xiaomi Wear app, you can connect your band with your phone to keep track and manage your fitness goals. You can also change the look of your smart band with detachable straps in the color black, blue, green and orange. Inside the box, you can find the smart band, strap and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.